Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm headed to Austin this weekend and I have an update on the Riding for a Cure. Y'all stick around. Guys, I'm glad y'all stuck around. I'm headed down to Austin for the Hand-Built Motorcycle Show this weekend. I'll be leaving this Friday and I will be coming back on Sunday. And I'll be heading probably down on 35 or in that general area. So if you would like to do a meetup with me, let me know. I would love to stop and say hello. And if you're going to be at the Hand-Built Motorcycle Show, let me know and we can say hi there. Alright, update. Riding for a Cure. Oh Baby Blue, my 2010 Victory Vision, has been in the shop for over a month now, and it has problems. I'm going to have to get the motor rebuilt or put another new motor or a used motor in there, and the option is probably going to be a used motor. If you know of a used motor for a 2010 Victory Vision, I think the years doesn't matter on that. It might. Any kind of help in that general direction to where I need to find something will help. I wasn't expecting all this to happen. I was expecting to get the starter fixed on it and get a good checkup on it and then get the motorcycle back, and all that didn't happen. And I'm ready to get this motorcycle fixed because I do not want to take the Harley. The Harley's fun to ride and everything, but the difference of night and day of riding a long distance trip on that Harley and the Victory Vision is like night and day. But if I have to, I will take the Harley. And the Harley is a 2008 Road Glide. The launch party is still on May 23rd at 7 p.m. at the Ginger Man in South Lake, Texas. If you can make it, I would be greatly appreciated, and it's going to be lots of fun. There's going to be some giveaways too. It's going to be a big time. And I am officially leaving on the trip May 24th, the next day. And it's about almost a month away. So, woohoo! Guys, if you're new to my channel, or if you just like these types of video and you're not subscribed yet, click on that button down below, then hammer the hell out of that bell, and you'll get email notifications that I've uploaded a video. Guys, I appreciate your support. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think. Catch y'all on the road. Mustafa. Guys, if you're new to my channel and you like these types of videos, hello. Another interruption. My 2010 looks like that I'm gonna have to either rebuild the motor and also not also but if I have to, I will take at t-shirts in light. The launch party is still on at May. I can't get this right. It is a month away. What? No. Yeah. Oh. Hammer the hell down and subscribe. I did all that wrong. And click. Then hammer the hell that I put out a video. That I've uploaded, that I've